Hey guys, welcome back to Noise Fast RC. Got a short video of a quick installation of this skid plates for the X-MAXX. These are going to be the skid plates for the X-MAXX for the top of the roof. This is an RPM product. So if you remember my X-MAXX, the skid plates are pretty much going to go right here, just like that. So in the event we have a rollover, it won't scratch the top of the body. So appears to be pretty simple. This is the underneath support plate for the skid plate. So we'll see how it goes. But anyhow, I'm going to do a real small hose, pretty much like that. And I'll have it installed. So this will go underneath the body, where the skid bars go on the top. So stand by and I'll be back. Alright guys, I got one side on of the skid bar. It's nice and tight. Looks good. So that'll help it protect from scrapes and cracks. So yeah, it's pretty rigid. It's pretty thick too. So it goes right along this rib on the body. And it's really close to the underframe of the X-MAXX, and I'll show you in a minute. And put the other side on. I just wanted to show you the first one. Stand by. Alright guys, here it is. This is the other side installed. Looks pretty cool. See that? I like it. I wish I could find something that goes here, but more of an angle, like the X-MAXX, which has got that square, but it's low profile. But this works really good though. I like this. It's nice and firm. Let me show you how it looks underneath. So that's the way it looks underneath. So it's really close to the original undercage support system. I could have made it go further out, but I didn't want for it to be too far outside the body, so I wanted close to that nice rib on the body. So it'll be nice and tight. So yeah guys, that's the body with the new anti-skid bars. So tell me what you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.